Hello, this is Norecia from Options Trading University. In this video, you will learn how to set an alert on the Thinkorswim platform. Do me a favor, hit the subscribe button so you can have easy access to all of our mini tutorial videos. So you don't have to be all over the place trying to find, where did she say? I had to look for my own video recently, so I understand. All right, guys, so we're using Facebook as an example. And we had some bearish days here. So I'm going to set an alert right here as an example, right under that support line. Right click, and then scroll down to create alert. Okay. Facebook is a stock. The mark is at or above. I would like it to go at or below because I'm an options trader, so I might possibly want an entry. I don't know, but that's just what we're using today as an example. You can do it at or above, you can do it at or below, doesn't matter. All right, all you have to do is click create. You will see it come up. Go back to the charts and you will see your mark right there on the chart. So you will have an alert given to you. If you don't want it anymore, you don't feel you have a need for it, if you're like me and don't like to have too many things on your screen, you just click on the X. And that's it. All right. So don't forget, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in our next video.